It is day 13 of the Aussie English Challenge. We're doing this for 30 days. Copy this pronunciation.
Day, mate, late, today, no, dance, chance, can't, pool, school.
It is so beautiful down here on the beach. It's going to be a scorcher. Today, it might get to about 40 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot for here. It is so. What is the temperature like where you are? Let me know. Please would you either like this video or share this video with someone you think might like it.